In this video, we are going to be looking at ratio. Now, the first thing I want you to understand is that there is a connection between ratio and fraction. Now, for example, if I have 1:3, now this can also be written as 1/3, with the first number acting as the numerator, while the second number is acting as the denominator. Do you understand? So 4:5 is equals to 4/5. Does that make sense? Now that's the first thing I want you to understand. Now the second thing I want you to understand is that we use ratio to kind of compare two or more things. Now let's say I tell you that the ratio between oranges and mangoes in a box is 2:5. So we have 2:5. Now this representing oranges, while this is representing mangoes. Now it means I'm comparing the number of oranges in a bag to the number of mangoes. Now what this means is that for every 2 oranges I have in the bag, I have 5 mangoes. So for every 2 oranges, let me put O for oranges, I have 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add 2 more oranges, I have to add 5 more mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These representing mangoes. Do you understand? Alright, let's take some calculations on that ratio. Alright, so we have this question. A bag contains 10 balls and 15 discs. What's the ratio of balls to discs? Now let's solve this. Now the first thing you need to notice, how many balls do we have? We have 10 balls. How many discs do we have? We have 15 discs. So we are asked, what is the ratio of balls to discs? So we have ratio of balls to discs will be equals to, how many balls do we have? 10:15. Do you understand? Now remember, at the beginning of this video I told you that there is a connection between ratio and fraction. So 10:15 is the same thing as 10/15. Now we need to take this to the lowest term. We have 5 in 10, 2, and then we have 5 in 15, 3. So it means that the ratio of ball to discs equals to 2/3, which is equals to 2:3. And this is our answer. Does that make sense? So basically, when you are being asked to find the ratio of balls to disc, you ask yourself, how many balls do you have? 10. Then how many discs do we have? 15. You take it to the lowest term, 5 here 2, 5 here 3. So it means that the ratio of balls to disc is 2:3. Do you understand?